Southern Mom here, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join us. And please, as always, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. As you can see from the description, we have our December 2018 Peaches and Petals. I'm actually going to move this over here so we can open it. Peaches and Petals. It's a $19.99 a month subscription. It does always come late in the month, but that's just it. It's known that it's one of the subscriptions that comes at the end of the month. And it is a lifestyle subscription that you never know what you're gonna get. That's what I can say. I mean, it literally could be the wackiest combination. Peaches and Petals is hit or miss. Some months are amazing, some months not so much. But I really think the amazing months kind of outweigh the not so amazing. So let's get this box open and see what we got for December. So this is what I'm seeing when I open it. This says list makers gonna list. That is really cute. It has a huge magnet on the back, so this is great for sticking on the side of the fridge. I love these. And this one actually is like super thick for a piece of cardboard on my shoulder for what you normally get for like these little fridge magnet things. This one's actually really thick. I like the holographic look too. So I'm actually excited for this. So moving right along. What are you? Oh, this is a 13-ounce glass water bottle. Has this, yep, has a sleeve, and it is glass. I like that. I like the sleeve on here, and it doesn't feel like it would, I mean, it could come off, but with some effort. So yay, I like that. What are you? A marquee light kit. Light kit includes one marquee shape, one LED light strand, one tracing template, 2 decorative tape rolls, and it says requires 2 AAA batteries not included. Okay, I got a star, which I'm good with. I know I've seen these and they're always built, but I think it's actually kind of cool that you can build your own. It's like a craft in a box, but a light. So I'm actually happy with this. This will probably be a lot of fun. Oh, well, Peaches and Petals is the card. Don't miss this. Grab your phone and text the word secret to 88108. You will get access to a 1 secret deal per day. You really don't want to miss this. It says we are forced to say this legal mumbo jumbo. Text and data rates may apply from your carrier. It looks like One more thing. I can get it out. Goodness. Ready, Set, Goals 2019. Don't just dream it, do it. Includes large grids for plenty of writing space, 3 sheets of fun and organizational stickers to keep you on target. It's a 16-month calendar, August 2018 through December 2019. We have a calendar. You can see stickers. This must be what the stickers are on the inside. They say like, do this, don't forget, gotta do this. Interesting. Yeah, calendar. So all in all, I'm actually okay with the Peaches and Petals for December 2018. I think this was a decent month. I'm actually really excited for this right here, to do this. And I like the water bottle, and I really like this list. So, yay. So again, Peaches and Petals is a $19.99 a month subscription. I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. Leave a comment, let me know what you think of this subscription, and I hope you all have a great day. I will talk with you in the next video. Bye.